Hey there, fish lovers. Are you looking for the perfect pet fish to add to your home aquarium? Look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 3 fish breeds that make great pets. Betta fish. First up, we have the betta fish. Also known as Siamese fighting fish, these little guys are popular for their vibrant colors and long flowing fins. They are relatively easy to care for and don't require a lot of space, making them great for smaller aquariums. However, it's important to note that betta fish can be aggressive towards other fish, so they're best kept alone or with other non-aggressive species. Goldfish. Next on our list is the classic goldfish. These iconic fish are popular for their bright orange color and lively personalities. They're also relatively hardy, making them great for beginners. However, it's important to note that goldfish can grow quite large, so they require a larger aquarium to thrive. They're also known to produce a lot of waste, so frequent water changes are necessary to keep their tank clean. Neon tetra. Last but not least, we have the neon tetra. These tiny fish are popular for their bright neon colors and peaceful personalities. They're also easy to care for and do well in small aquariums. However, they are sensitive to changes in water parameters, so it's important to maintain a stable environment for them to thrive. So there you have it, our top 3 fish breeds that make great pets: betta fish, goldfish, and neon tetras. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.